All right. Good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia, and I am the Filipino recruiter. I receive your biodata from BBL agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Little bit, ma'am.
If you don't know how to communicate with your employer, there is no point of coming here. Okay? Better stay in the Philippines. Yeah.
Ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Po, ma'am.
If you feel unwell or if you think that there is something inside your body, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have tattoos in your skin?
No, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
No, ma'am.
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
Because I want to go other country.
Okay, so
I
why
want
choose Malaysia? Why you didn't choose to go Singapore or Hong Kong?
my heart is I want to go in Malaysia. I don't know.
Okay, can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Okay. Po. My name is Mary Rose Montesa Haliado from Cavite, and then I have one son, and then I have living partner.
Okay, I need to know
And
some
then,
few more details from you first, okay?
okay,
Are you
yes, ma'am.
married with your living partner?
No, no.
So you are single with living partner.
Yes po,
How
ma'am.
old are you?
30, ma'am.
Do you have your passport ready?
Opo, ma'am. Yes po, ma'am.
When is your birthday?
July 26, 1995 po, ma'am.
What is your height and your weight?
5'2" and 5'4".
What is your religion?
Roman Catholic po, ma'am.
What about your educational background? High
Uh,
school graduate, elementary
high school,
graduate?
second year high school, ma'am.
Okay, so you mentioned that you got one kid, which is 12 years old according to your profile, right?
Yes po, ma'am.
Your living partner is the father of your kid?
No po, ma'am.
Who will going to take care of your kid later once you come to work here in Malaysia?
We have two brothers in my house, ma'am.
Okay, how many brother and sister do you have?
Yes po, ma'am.
How many brother and sister do you have?
Um, I have sister 6, and then I have two
What
brothers.
is your rank in your family? Are you the eldest, the second, the third?
Ano, eldest ma'am.
What about your mother and your father? How old is your mother and your father?
My mother 60 years old, ma'am, and then my father 60 years old, but my father is died.
Okay, so what is the occupation of your mother?
Um, Production.
Okay. According to your profile, it was stated that you have a working experience in Qatar for 5 years, right? Or
5
no?
years.
How many years you
No,
work in
no,
Qatar?
3 years. I got a 2 years contract.
Okay,
Yes, I think.
so what year did you started and what year did you finish your contract?
2023 to 2025, ma'am.
What month is it?
October, September 18 to September 18.
All right. What is your job responsibilities to your previous employment in Qatar?
Pets, dogs, and then cook,
Okay.
then cleaner.
How many dogs you take care?
I have four dogs, ma'am.
4 dogs. You do the house chores, cooking, and take care of the pet, is it?
Yes po, ma'am.
What happened? Why you didn't renew your contract to your employer?
I don't like to all dogs to go. I put upstairs third floor.
So that's why you didn't renew your contract already, right?
Yes po, ma'am.
Working here in Malaysia is quite different in Middle East, okay? So you need to get ready yourself, expect those unexpected things because as I have mentioned many times, Malaysia, okay, the reality of
Okay po,
working
ma'am.
here in Malaysia is different one. Employers here
Opo,
is
ma'am.
very particular when it comes of cleanliness. Houses here also is quite big. So you need to get ready yourself and fasten your seatbelt, yeah? Because you might
Yes,
experience some things that you didn't experience in Qatar also at the same time.
yes po, ma'am.
Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes po, ma'am.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes po, ma'am.
Can you take your elderly people?
Yes po, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes po, ma'am.
What variety of cuisine you can prepare if you know how to cook?
Like a chicken and then anything, ma'am.
So you are willing to learn some new recipes also at the same time.
Yes po, ma'am.
Okay, to your previous employer in Qatar, did you do laundry and ironing?
Yes po, ma'am.
Alright, so can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes po.
Are you
Yes po, ma'am.
comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes po, ma'am.
So no problem because last time in
Yes po.
Qatar you said that four dogs, which is you cannot. That's why you didn't renew because you need to carry the four dogs to third floor, right?
Yes po, ma'am. Right. Right. Yes po,
Okay,
ma'am.
so this is a 2 years contract, same like what you did in Qatar. Okay, we are not
Okay po,
playing
ma'am.
here, so you will going to sign a 2 years contract, and any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Terminating of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency, as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia, right?
Yes po, ma'am.
Are you aware that you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours?
Yes po, ma'am.
You cannot hold it during working hours, but you can hold it during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Yes po, ma'am.
We don't force people to come here, okay? It's either you agree or you disagree. If you disagree, it's okay, it's fine. You can stay in the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries. Yeah?
I agree, ma'am.
Always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give a better future for your kid also at the same time. In Philippines, you can be the boss there, okay? But here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems or any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years, yeah?
Yes po, ma'am.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time, Rose. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Globalize agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay?
Okay po,
Thank you
ma'am.
so
Thank you
much and
po.
have a good day.
Thank you po. Have a good
Bye.
day.